Azvina kumira zvakanaka the ruling party ZANU-PF mune kugeda kwemeno, especially the faction which is supporting constitutional amendments or 2030. Right now tiona headline nokudanyira chete government in panic mode of a planned July 31 protest. Right now as we are seeing kuti opposition figures vakaita seveku NDWG vatiri kuona vakaita pamwe chete seveku National Constitutional Assembly NCA and also vakaita sevekwana Tendai BT for the Constitutional Defenders Forum. Right now they are under threat. Vari kufesa attacks. Don't forget subscribe or like it on the bell icon. At the moment patinoona this headline rinobuda Newsday richitaura pamusoro pema July 31 protest and the government is in panic mode. Right now tichiona kuti they are panicking kuti panguva ino if this protest succeed zvinogona kusazovamirira zvakanaka, but panguva ino we are seeing kuti recently my members of the NCA right now tunakuti on Tuesday some of the members, around 3 members, were arrested from party offices pavaida kuhandla a meeting yaionekwa kunzi yaiva a national executive meeting yakanga iriko kuti idiscuss now ye enactment of the constitutional amendment bill number 3. We have also seen the chairman of Madibland South or NDWG being picked by some people or individuals whom they did not know who were suspected to be my CIOs. At that moment, the member or the chairperson of the NDWG, he was pushing or was saying, pushing my mottos, my placards, equity, no to 2030, after these constitutional amendments apasiwa zvaita kuti ave vulnerable and panguva ino was picked. But developments are kuda panguva ino kunzi the government is in a real panic mode and panguva ino zvina kumira zvakanaka, we do not know how it is going to end. And I'm going to section minutes of fundiro aim to leave on so subscribe or like, or join the bell icon.